Knowing how to do pencil and paper arithmetic is one thing, but how confident are pupils in managing arithmetical calculations in their head? What we have here is a comprehensive collection of mental strategies and facts that span the 6 years of school. They are arranged into 5 levels of achievement, with the first one applicable to most 7-year-olds. Here's what looking for tens looks like. So there are 3 numbers. They're not in any particular order. And if we know our bonds of 10, we can pick that out, and then the calculation is very easy. So I can see 8 and 2 is 10, so that's 16. Which 2 numbers here make 10? Oh, it's 8 and 2, so it's 10 and 4, which is 14. Here it's the 7 and the 3, and that's 10, and 6 makes 16. Here the 3 and the 7 make 10, and 5 make 15. We were in practice mode there. In practice mode, there's no time constraints. You can take as long as you like, but the aim is to get them all right. Once we've done that, we can now take the challenge. At the bottom right-hand corner, we press take the challenge, and now there are 12 cards, and we have to see if we can do it in a minute, or at least a minute and a half. Here we go. So 6 and 4 is 10, and 3 is 13. 9 and 1 is 10, and 8 is 18. See how quick it is if you know. Now this is also bonds of 10, but in the context of decade numbers. So it's 60 and 40. That's 100, 180. 5 and 5 is 10, and 8 is 18. 7 and 3 is 10, and 5 is 15. 6 and 4 is 10, and 8 is 18. 8 and 2 is 10, and 4 is 14. 60 and 40 is 100, so that's 120. So if we look at the copper level, which is the simplest level, and it's suitable for 7-year-olds and up, we can see that we were looking at number 2, looking for tens. We've got easy doubles, easy halves, so doubling and halving change from a pound, and then the very last one on each level is a mixture of those. So let's have a look at what the mixture looks like. And here we go. So 70 and 30 is 100, so that's 150. 60 and 40 is 100, so it's 180. 600 and what make 1,000? Well, 6 and 4 is 10, so it must be 400. Double 8 is 16. 800 and what make 1,200? Half of 180. Well, half of 18 is 9, so it must be 90. Half of 82, it's half of, that's 40, and 1, 41. So that was the copper level. Here's the bronze level, and the silver level, and the gold level, and finally the platinum level, which brings us up to some of the upper limits of mental calculation, which we hope that all children at the end of primary school are able to perform.